Take one deep breath with me. Inhale. Exhale. Because everything that we want is already in awareness. Just right now, become aware of the tip of your nose. And simply observe the air, the oxygen flowing into your nostrils on the inhale. And notice the sensation you get in your nose on the exhale. Right now, see if you can become aware of awareness itself. If you try to look for awareness, you will fail. So instead, simply ask yourself the question, am I aware? See that the answer is always yes. Notice that this awareness is aware of the tip of your nose, but it is also aware of the space in front of your nose. Notice now that you can be both aware of your body and aware of the space around your body at the same time. You can feel your hands and you are aware of the space around your hands. In fact, you are aware of the space that fills the room you're in. Notice that to awareness, your body and the space around your body share the same reality. Which means that to awareness, your body and the space around your body are one. How far out in space can you feel right now? There is no need to strain. Simply notice. You are seeing that your body and the space around your body appear in awareness. But if awareness disappeared, your body and the space around your body could no longer be experienced. They would disappear with awareness, which means that awareness is the primary experience of reality. All of reality appears in awareness. All of reality appears in you, which means you and reality are one. Rest in this. If you rest in this for long enough, love will find you. Indeed, it already has. When you're ready, you may open your eyes and return.